Welcome to the Syft Technologies headquarters. My name is Jozef Knottenbelt. I'm the operations manager here at our factory. Syft Technologies was founded here in Christchurch, New Zealand, and this is where we manufacture all of our Syft products. Today I want to show you how we manufacture our instrumentation and give you a glimpse into our production process. Our 1200 square metre cleanroom facility has been purpose-built to manufacture Syft products. Every Syft instrument ever built has been through the Syft production process. Our production process is split into 4 sub-processes, where we build the instrument from raw components to completed Syft products. Our assembly teams are experts in building and testing sub-assemblies and base instruments from raw components. This process is completed by our trained technicians who specialise in mechanical or electrical assembly and bench test. To ensure we're using quality components, the assembly team work with our production engineering and supply chain teams to make sure that components coming into our factory are quality controlled. This ensures suppliers are delivering our components to our design specifications. Once assembly is complete, all assemblies are subject to quality checks. This is undertaken by our trained quality team. Once the base instrument has been assembled and bench tested, it enters our dedicated instrument testing and optimization process. Instrumentation technicians optimize and tune our instruments so they can perform in the highly variable environments our customers operate in. The markets we supply into vary from shipping ports to semiconductor factories. These environments can be harsh for analytical instrumentation, and our customers have high expectations for our instruments to be operating in these environments 24/7. To meet these expectations, each instrument is subjected to thousands of recorded tests throughout the entire production process. In the dedicated testing space, some of these tests run over multiple days to ensure stability and repeatability of trace gas measurements. In the next part of the production process, we customise the instrument as per the customer's order. Enclosures and sample delivery systems are installed and tested by our trained production scientists before proceeding to the final analytical benchmarks. Specific customer requests can also be accommodated by a customisation team. They have experience calibrating specific trace gas compounds, and if requested, other factory tests can be included before the instrument is shipped. The final process is the final quality check. This process is conducted by a trained quality team, where final checks are conducted before shipping. Although this process is our final quality check, all other processes have their own quality gates to ensure that any quality issues are caught before this point. I hope you've enjoyed having a glimpse into our production process and how we ensure quality with every instrument we build. We're proud of this process, and we're even prouder of the instruments that we deliver to help the world measure trace gases simply faster.